In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate stock trades with OpenAI, Alpaca, Zapier, 5 minutes. Before we begin, a quick note. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only. Automated trading involves risk, so always test thoroughly and use paper trading until you're confident. We'll start by making sure you have accounts with OpenAI for AI processing, Alpaca for brokerage and order execution, and Zapier to connect everything. Generate any required API credentials in each platform and store them securely. You'll connect them inside Zapier later. Log in to Zapier and get familiar with the dashboard. We're going to build a Zap, which is Zapier's term for an automated workflow. To make it effective, first decide the rules your AI should follow. Define your universe of stocks, what data you want to use, such as price changes, volume, or news sentiment, and risk constraints like maximum position size or daily trade limits. Clarity here keeps the AI's output structured and actionable. Now create the Zap. For the trigger, choose a schedule. For example, run on weekdays during market hours or once pre-market and once midday. Set your time zone and pick a cadence that gives your system enough fresh data without overtrading. Next, set your actions. The first action should fetch market inputs. You can pull price and volume from a data connector or sentiment from a news source. Keep your symbol list manageable at first and include only the fields your logic actually needs. Send that data to OpenAI as the second action. In your prompt, clearly state your strategy rules, risk constraints, and the exact output format you want. JSON works well, such as separate arrays for buy and sell candidates with tickers, reasons, and confidence scores. Short, consistent prompts produce more reliable results. For the third action, add logic. Use Zapier's filters, paths, or a small code step to parse the AI's output, rank candidates, and enforce guardrails like max trades per run and minimum confidence thresholds. Validate numbers and fall back safely if the AI returns incomplete data. The fourth action is execution through the Alpaca integration. Point it to the paper trading environment, select order types and time enforce, set position sizes, and include safeguards to avoid duplicate orders. Only proceed if all your checks pass. Log everything to a Google Sheet, timestamps, symbols, signals, order details, fills, and P&L. This creates a feedback loop for tuning. Run in paper trading extensively. Review logs, adjust rules, and iterate. Once you're confident, switch to real money cautiously, start small, monitor closely, and be prepared to pause if performance diverges. That's it. Your automated trading workflow is live.